If you drive a car that doesn't have digital radio fitted, it's possible to convert your older FM or AM equipment to DAB. Keep watching for the main ways to get DAB radio in your car. Plug-in and play devices can fix to your windscreen or dashboard, or plug into your car's cigarette lighter socket using your existing audio system. To fit it, fix the device's display to your windscreen or dashboard. Fasten the wire for the aerial and the wire for power. On the plus side, they're simple to install and relatively inexpensive. But on the downside, the antenna wires they come with can make your car's interior look cluttered. Like the plug-in and play solution, digital radio conversion kits transform DAB signal to FM, either with a fully integrated system which is controlled through your car's dash or steering wheel buttons, or through a semi-integrated one which works with a wireless remote. Both provide a more stable radio signal with minimal changes to your car's interior, but installation will need to be done by a trained professional, which could make it a costly solution. A replacement radio could be a good option if your car is more than 10 years old. But if you drive a newer vehicle, replacing the device will require additional parts, bumping up the price. With a smartphone app, you can listen to DAB and internet radio by connecting your phone through your car's aux-in socket or a separate Bluetooth car kit. It's a good way to give digital radio a try, but can be a costly solution if your mobile data allowance is limited. For more expert advice and how-to guides, don't forget to click to subscribe to our YouTube channel.